Hello, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna introduce a new thing that I'm working on. I am building a course on quantum mechanics. So the first thing we're gonna learn about is wave function. What is the wave function? Like Schrödinger equation, we get wave function from the Schrödinger equation, and what this wave function tell us, that is taught by statistical interpretation. And then what is normalization, then what is momentum. A lot of things changes in quantum mechanics, the definitions, what we thought in classical mechanics, the changes in quantum mechanics, and how we calculate changes too. And then we're gonna learn about the famous the uncertainty principle, and then we're gonna do a lot of problems. Those problems are really necessary if you want to learn something. And I am thinking about building also maybe chapter 0 where I taught mathematics to learn about quantum mechanics. I'm thinking about it. So if I do end up doing that, that will come out after probably this chapter. But for learning this chapter, you don't really need the mathematics, because this is just an introduction. You do need a little bit of mathematics, but I will teach you. If you want to learn about quantum mechanics, like, share and subscribe. And I hope you like this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up, and I will start posting more frequent videos.